These clever tips use natural, affordable ingredients you already have at home. Good for your health and the planet. Lemon. Cut in half and place in the fridge or bin to absorb odors. Mix lemon juice with salt to remove stains on fabric or metal. Banana peel. Rub the inside on leather shoes to polish. Use on insect bites to soothe itching. Cucumber. Place chilled slices on your eyes to reduce puffiness. Blend into a paste to soothe sunburns. Tomato. Rub half a tomato on skin to exfoliate. Mix tomato juice with baking soda to clean metal wear. Potato. Apply raw slices under eyes to reduce dark circles. Put slices in musty containers to absorb moisture. Fresh ginger. Steep in hot water with honey to relieve nausea. Crush and apply to sore muscles for pain relief. Garlic. Place cloves in the fridge to deodorize. Boil and spray garlic water near doors to repel mosquitoes. Citrus peels. Dry and crush into sachets for air freshener and bug repellent. Used to scrub stains from mugs and teapots. Used coffee grounds. Mix with oil or milk for a body scrub. Pour into drains with water to remove grease and odors. Cilantro and perilla leaves. Chew fresh to relieve headaches. Burn dried leaves to repel insects. White radish. Place a slice over juice or wine stains before washing. Clean, green, and effective.
Welcome to part 2 of your natural home and health tips. Simple, eco-friendly ideas that work. Rub a halved onion on cutting boards to deodorize. Apply slices to bites or scratches to reduce swelling. Place pandan leaves in closets to freshen clothes and deter moths. Use the juice as a natural green food coloring. Boil fresh chili in burnt pots to lift stains. Soak peels in water to fertilize plants and repel pests. Sprinkle chili powder along ant trails to repel them. Add a pinch to poultry feed in cold weather to boost warmth. Rub pineapple peel on rusty tools to remove rust. Add to compost for nutrient-rich soil. Lay green papaya slices on meat to tenderize. Burn dried slices to keep mosquitoes away. Apply crushed Vietnamese fish mint leaves to acne-prone skin. Use dried leaves in shoes to deodorize. Soak grape skin in warm water to brighten hands. Rub on cups to remove lingering smells. Rub sugarcane fiber on wooden furniture to hide scratches. Use strips to scrub inside large straws. Warm cabbage leaves and apply to joints for pain relief. Rub fresh leaves on bites to soothe itching. Rub the inner guava peel on teeth to whiten. Boil and soak nails in the water for strength and shine. Natural tips, lasting results.
Welcome to part 4 of your Green Living Tips. More natural uses for everyday kitchen scraps. Potato peel. Rust remover. Rub on rusty iron or steel. Wait 5 to 10 minutes. Rinse. The mild acids dissolve rust. Fast compost. Add to compost for 1-2 weeks for potassium-rich fertilizer. Carrot peel. Broth. Booster. Toss into bone broth for sweetness and beta-carotene. Detox tea. Dry. Steep for 5-7 minutes. Helps digestion and skin health. Corn silk. Diuretic tea. Brew dried silk to reduce swelling and support urinary health. Steam facial. Add to hot water. Steam your face to tighten pores and reduce acne. Watermelon rind. Candied rind. Simmer in sugar for a pectin-rich jam. Vinegar ferment with sugar and yeast for 2-3 weeks. Perfect for dressings. Avocado peel. Anti-aging mask. Blend with yogurt. Apply 15 minutes. Rinse for hydration. Exfoliator. Rub green layer on wet skin to remove dead cells. Watermelon seeds. Snack. Roast with salt. Crunchy, protein-packed. Smoothie booster. Grind into powder for fiber and minerals. Apple peel. Apple cider vinegar. Ferment with sugar and probiotics for 2-3 weeks. Natural pectin. Dry and grind to thicken jams and candies. Papaya peel. Soften skin. Rub white inner side on rough patches. Relax tea. Dry and steep for a calming, digestion-friendly tea. Pomelo seeds, exfoliant. Grind into powder, mix with oil, massage on wet skin. Antibacterial spray. Soak in 70% alcohol. Strain after 1-2 weeks. Use as a natural deodorizer. Corn cobs. Pot scrubber. Use firm cobs to clean pots naturally. Corn starch. Boil, let settle. Collect the starch layer to thicken soups. Nature's leftovers, reimagined. Welcome to Part 5 of your Sustainable Living series. More ways to turn food scraps into everyday solutions. Mango peel. Pore tightening mask. Blend with yogurt. Apply 15 minutes. Rinse to hydrate and tighten. Meat tenderizer. Boil peel in water, cool, and use as marinade. No MSG needed. Pomelo peel. Herbal shampoo. Boil and use the water to wash hair. Adds shine and reduces dandruff. Mosquito repellent. Dry and crush into cloth bags or extract oil for natural insect defense. Dragon fruit peel. Face mask. Blend with honey. Apply for 15 minutes to moisturize sun-stressed skin. Fabric dye. Boil red peel to create natural dye for cloth or art. Strawberry peel. Brightening mask. Mash with rice flour. Apply 10 minutes to soften and glow. Herbal tea. Dry and steep to make a cooling, vitamin-rich drink. Jackfruit peel. Dishwashing. Liquid, boil, and strain peel water to cut grease naturally. Anti-inflammatory poultice. Mash and apply to bites or rashes to reduce swelling. Beetroot peel. Grease remover. Rub on stovetops or counters. Wait 5 minutes. Wipe clean. Iron tonic. Blend, strain, mix with honey. Drink daily for blood health. Pumpkin peel. Rust remover. Rub moist peel on rusted iron. Wait 10 minutes, wipe. Fertilizer. Chop and compost for potassium-rich boost to your garden. Sweet potato peel. Brightening mask. Blend with milk. Apply for 15 minutes to even skin tone. Poultry feed. Dry, crush, and mix into feed for added energy and fiber. Celery stalks. Natural toothpick. Trim into slim sticks for refreshing flossing. Bottle scrubber. Use fibrous stalk to clean narrow jars and bottles. Nature's leftovers, reimagined again. Welcome to Part 6 of your Natural Living series. Home remedies powered by plants and peels. Asparagus. Detox juice. Drink in the morning to cleanse the liver and kidneys. Hair shine spray. Dilute. 1 part juice with 3 parts water. Spray before blow drying. Rice patty herb round go. Deodorize fish. Add leaves to dishwater or fish trays to reduce odors. Baby bath. Steep leaves, cool, and use the water to bathe infants and soothe rashes. Purslane. Rowsam. Anti-aging mask. Pound with honey. Apply 10 minutes to tighten and protect skin. Sore throat relief. Brew and drink 2-3 times daily to reduce inflammation. Mint leaves. Steam for sinus relief. Inhale steam from boiled mint to clear congestion. Shoe deodorizer. Dry and pack in cloth pouches. Place in shoe cabinets. Passion fruit. Lip scrub. Mix crushed seeds with coconut oil, scrub, then rinse. Meat deodorizer. Rub pulp on raw meat before cooking. Durian peel. Compost. Chop and add to other veggie waste. Rich in potassium. Grease remover. Use soft inner peel to scrub pots clean. Acerola cherry peel. Skin soak. Boil and use warm water on itchy skin. Rice storage protector. Dry and place in bins to deter pests. And add scent. Lotus leaf. Sleep tea. Steep and drink before bed to promote calm. Fridge deodorizer. Lay fresh leaves on shelves to absorb smells. Soybeans. Toasted soy milk. Roast. Blend with hot water for a nutritious drink. Firming mask. Grind into powder. Mix with milk. Apply for 15 minutes. Young cassava core. Soothing gel. Extract juice. Let settle. Use gel on sunburns. Natural polish remover. Use juice on cotton to wipe away nail polish gently. Nature knows best. Simple, clean, effective.
Welcome to part 7 of your Natural Living series, more surprising uses for everyday greens and peels. Mulberry leaves can be used for a facial steam by boiling the leaves and steaming your face for 5 to 10 minutes to tighten pores. They also make a great hair rinse. Steep, cool, and rinse with mulberry leaf tea for softer hair and less dandruff. Guava leaves can be boiled in water to create a mouthwash. Cool it down and rinse daily. Drinking hot guava leaf tea can help reduce diarrhea. Kiwi peel serves as an exfoliator. Rub the inner peel on wet skin to smooth and brighten. It can also be applied to acne scars for 10 minutes to promote skin renewal. Eggplant can absorb oil. Drop slices in used cooking oil to soak up grease. You can also mash eggplant with milk and apply it as a skin mask for 15 minutes to hydrate and lighten your skin. Water spinach or rau mong can be used as a glass cleaner. Rub it on glass and wipe dry for a clear shine. To keep it crisp, store water spinach in vinegar water in the fridge. Malabar spinach or rau mong toi can be boiled to create a hydrating gel. Cool it and apply to skin or joints. Fresh leaves can be pressed onto itchy spots for relief. Basil or hung quay can be boiled for a sinus steam to ease congestion. Dried basil leaves can be placed in trash bins to neutralize smells. Spearmint or hung louis can be sewn into sachets and hung in rooms as a mosquito repellent. Use these sachets in cabinets to reduce odor and moisture. Jackfruit leaves can repel insects when burned. This drives away flies and mosquitoes. Boil fresh jackfruit leaves, let cool, and rinse bug bites for relief. Pear peel can be composted with scraps to create magnesium and potassium-rich soil. It can also be rubbed on rust. Wait 5 minutes and then wipe clean. Plants have hidden powers. Try them at home.
Welcome to part 8 of your Natural Remedies series. Fresh tips using colorful herbs, fruits, and roots. Bitter melon, insect repellent, hang dried slices to deter mosquitoes and ants. Oily skin toner, dilute juice with water. 1-2, and apply after cleansing. Go-to cola, hair rinse, steep, cool, and rinse to soften hair and reduce dandruff. Soothing mask, apply blended juice to calm acne-prone or irritated skin. Fresh turmeric root, fade scars. Mix with honey, apply 15 minutes, then rinse. Floor disinfectant. Add boiled turmeric water to your mop bucket. Beetroot, hair tint. Rinse hair with diluted juice for a red shine. Wood polish, white beet juice on furniture for color and shine. Winter melon, puffy eye remedy. Place cool slices on eyes for 10 minutes. Detox broth, use boiling water as a cooling soup base. Young loofah, crisp stir fry. Blanch before stir frying to keep texture. Loofah sponge, dry mature loofah. Tear and use for gentle exfoliation. Amberella, remove sap. Soak in rice. Rinse water with salt before cooking. Nail soap, use diluted juice to whiten and strengthen nails. Plum peel, skin rinse. Boil, peel, cool, and rinse itchy skin. Natural dye, boiled water colors fabric or rice noodles, light pink. Piper lowlot leaves, clean cutting boards. Rub on boards to deodorize and disinfect. Bug bite relief, pound and apply to relieve itching. Purple cabbage, soil pH test. Soak leaves, test with soil. Color reveals acidity. Hair rinse, boiled water gives shine and natural purple tint. Everyday plants, extraordinary uses.
Welcome to your next round of smart, natural home tips, featuring kitchen and garden treasures you never knew could do so much. Pomegranate, dilute juice with water, dab on skin to tighten pores. Soak rice in juice for whiter, fragrant grains. Pederia leaves, lamu, rub leaf salt paste on fish before washing to deodorize. Apply juice from crushed leaves to calm swelling and provide itch relief. Watercress, Ferment with sugar for homemade vinegar, perfect for salads. Blend with water for a natural dish soap that acts as a degreaser. Vietnamese balm, kingioi, inhale boiled leaf steam to relieve sinuses. Dry and pouch for a natural bug repellent to freshen your closet. Mugwort, nai ku. Simmer with coconut oil to create a healing oil for sore joints. Burn dried leaves for stress relief with calm smoke. Tamarind. Use as a marinade to tenderize and add sweet-sour flavor to meat. Mix with brown sugar to create a scrub that brightens and exfoliates. Aquafaba chickpea water. Whip into mousse or sponge as a vegan egg white alternative. Apply to skin for a softening protein boost. Bell pepper peel. Boil, peel, and spritz for a hairspray that adds vitamin C shine. Rub on cutting tools to remove odors and deodorize knives. Pickled mustard brine. Replace water in bread dough for a crisp crust. Use as a stain soak to remove stubborn marks from ceramic ware. Green tea leaves. Steep, cool, and spray for a facial mist that hydrates. Dry leaves in fabric pouches to absorb odor and deodorize shoes. Simple ingredients, powerful uses.